The alternate command mode provides an expanded list of voice commands for controlling the phone, vehicle information, audio, display, and navigation systems. To activate the alternate command mode, press the Setting button on the control panel and then touch the Others key on the display screen. Touch the Voice Recognition key and then touch the alternate command mode key. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Touch OK to confirm activation of the alternate command mode. If your cellular phone is capable and your phone book is downloaded, it is possible to interrupt the voice prompts for quicker dialing. Press the Talk button on the steering wheel. When the system command begins, press the Talk button. Say Call, and then the name of the entry, such as Call John Smith. A variety of additional commands are available, including Places, for setting as the destination a point of interest near the current vehicle location, Traffic Information, to turn the traffic information system on and off, and Audio Source, for example, Bluetooth audio or XM, to switch the audio system to that source. While in alternate command mode, the system will not announce or display any of the available commands. To become familiar with the alternate command mode commands, press the Talk button on the steering wheel and say Help after the tone. The system will display the command list main menu. Another way to view the command list is to press the Info button on the control panel, touch Others, then Voice Recognition, then Command List. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.